Nikita and you're watching episode 2 of my Panchgani series. So this video is going to be super special for me because this is the first time that I'm going to, look at the camera and speak to you guys about my personal experience of setting up the house in mountains in Panchgani. So stay tuned. So in fact, in my last video, I had traveled from Mumbai to Panchgani and I had mentioned that we're not very sure if we're going to stay here for 8 days as we had booked earlier or we're going to extend our stay here. So since I'm standing on the 15th day of our stay, I can tell you that we have extended our stay to 1 month. So I'm super excited for this, and I am super excited to share my experience of setting up the house here. So while we talk about setting up the house here, during my process of doing that, I realized that there are few things that are really essential for you to carry from home. So this video is going to be about that, and I'm going to break this video into 3 parts. First part is going to be about the things that we carried from home, which were required. The second and the most important part is going to be about the things that we did not carry. So second part is really important because that is the list that I'm going to share with you guys, which I forgot to get from home, and I don't want you guys to make the same mistake. So stay tuned for that. And the third and the last part is going to be the things that we purchased from Panchgani market, and I think that is a easy yes because that is groceries and the things we forgot to carry from Mumbai. So that's all this video is going to be about. So do stay till the end, and till then, see you guys. Hey guys, so finally I've found a comfortable place for myself because I was standing there and that was not really comfortable for me. So anyway, let's start with the video. So the first part is, like I said, is going to be on the things that we got from Mumbai. So there are 7 things that we got. I'm going to break that into 7 parts. The first being very obvious is clothes. Here I would suggest that you get not many clothes as well, but do not get less clothes as well, since you're going to stay in mountains. The weather is very unpredictable, so it might rain at times, and if it rains then it's very difficult to dry your clothes. So apart from that, apart from your regular clothes, do also carry a jacket. That is needless to say, but I'm still emphasizing on the fact because at times it might get cold. So do carry that. We also had carried it. And the second thing is obviously the medical supplies. That is again needless to say. During these times, people are very careful, and I'm sure you will also carry that along with you. But just ensure that you carry right medicines and the right things that you require for a long run. Do make a stock of it because at times the markets in the mountains would not have the specific brand that you require. So do carry that as well. Don't forget. Apart from that, also carry the personal care, again for the same reason, because the brand that you've been using since a long time, it may happen that the markets here in mountains will not have your specific brand. Now coming to the office stuff, if you're looking for uninterrupted work, smooth work, then carry your laptop, all the accessories like the charger, your earphones, and if you have a power backup, then do carry that as well. Apart from that, the most important thing that I'm going to talk about is your extension, because extension really helps you plug in all your appliances. So here the issue was that they had boards only with single pins in each board, so that would have been a real struggle for us if we hadn't carried an extension. Now the thing which I'm going to talk about is carry a laptop stand, and I'm really glad that we carried it because I actually am very sensitive to the sitting posture, and if I don't sit properly, if I'm not sitting straight, then it affects my body and my shoulder and neck. So do carry that. It really proved to be an essential item for us, so we did carry. Now the seventh and the last thing is carry cards, carry books, maybe carry your personal laptop. Because in mountains, what happens is usually apart from your office work and the other household chores, you end up having a lot of time with you. So what would you do in your free time, right? So if you carry these, it'll be really helpful. And we did carry that. So that is the last suggestion that I have. Now coming to the second part of the video, which is the most important part, and I don't want you all to miss this part because this is the list of the things that I'm going to tell you which you shouldn't be forgetting while you travel to the mountains for vacation. So talking about the first thing which I forgot was the yoga mat, and I regret till the day for not having it along with me, because now I have to manage with the blanket or maybe the bed sheets that these people have provided to us, which is a little uncomfortable, and I really wish I had the yoga mat along with me. The second thing is it is a little personal because of the personal requirement that I have. The Google Chromecast, which I have it in my home back in Mumbai, but I wish I had it here in Panchgani, because here in the homestay there is a big screen TV, and I wish I had Chromecast with me so that I could have casted movies on the screen and I could have watched without any hassle. But now we have to manage with the mobile phones, either mobile phones or laptops. Coming to the third thing, I really wish I had the power bank along with me. So before lockdown in Maharashtra, we had gone to Mahabaleshwar and we forgot carrying power bank along with us from Mumbai. So that is something I wish I had along with me. Talking about the fourth thing, the Wi-Fi dongle, we did not carry with us from home because we, in my case, we did not have it. So we ended up buying it from the Panchgani market. But nevertheless, the Wi-Fi connectivity is good here, so we didn't really have to worry about the internet connection. But just for backup, in case there is any power cut or anything like that, we just bought it for a safer side. Talking about the fifth thing, so this is on the personal care side. I know I spoke about this in the first part of my video, but this is something which is specific and we forgot to carry it along with us, and that is the nail cutter. I think that is something that is another section altogether in the personal care, and people tend to forget this. So your nail cutter, your scissors or your trimmer, so that is something that you don't want to invest again on, right? If you have it already in your home, so that is something that you should carry along with you. Now coming to the sixth thing, I would suggest you carry slippers along with you, because in mountains it can really get cold, and at times in nights, it's very difficult to walk on the floors because the floors get really cold. So do carry the slippers also, don't forget. Coming to the seventh thing, now this is something special to me because this I regret every day of not having it with me, and that is something that you like. In my case, it was Micron pens, because I'm really fond of sketching using the Micron pens. So I really wish in my free time, obviously we play games, we play cards, etc., etc. We read books also, but then that is something which was really close to my heart, and I really wished I had it along with me. And that is something that you will not get in the mountains, in the smaller towns. So I really wished I had that with me. And likewise, I would suggest, if it is music instrument in your case, if it is some specific thing in your case, then do carry that also along with you. Now coming to the third and the last part of the video, which is basically the list of the things that we bought from Panchgani market. So the first thing that we bought from Panchgani market is, needless to say, the groceries, because in our case we had decided to cook ourselves, and at times we do order as well, but there are majority of the times where we cook the food ourselves. So we got the groceries, the required groceries. Second thing that we bought from Panchgani market was the leftover medications, medical supplies. So some of them were additional masks, then there was something specific that we had to order, extra crocines, extra vitamin C tablets, zinc tablets, etc., etc. So that is what we bought from here. The third thing we bought from here was the snacks, because the weather here sometimes gets cold, and the cold weather you literally tend to eat more and more. So having snacks along with you is helpful at times. So we stocked up with these snacks. So that is the third thing. So on the fourth and the last thing, we got those items which we had forgotten from Mumbai. Some of those things were the slippers, because it was really getting unbearable at times, and then we also got dongle for us, and then there were other few things that we ended up buying at Panchgani. So hope you guys like this video, and hope you guys found this video informative and helpful at the same time, in case you're planning for a vacation in future. So if you liked the video, if you found this video helpful, then please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos on my Panchgani series and other videos. So stay tuned. Thank you.